KCI Pang to GLA is really life-changing. More doors of opportunities opened, and the most interactive way of learning became possible.
There have been many possibilities of learning and open new opportunities of investing our future in bringing the quality education in the Philippines.
Technology has become part of my teaching. It was year 2013. I was included to an EdTech program of GLA. I became more productive with the tools I've learned. It's a great blend because as I focus on delivering the content of my subject, I also utilize the tools to enhance and enjoy the learning process.
My experience with then KCI Pang really brought a lot of change in my profession as an educator. Now, with the GLA, I am very privileged and honored to be part of the team as a mentor by sharing the skills I've learned from my trainings on educational technology.
Being a scholar of the KCI Pang and a member of the GLA team is a life-changing experience for me because I've learned many tools to be used by my
Adapt some strategies to make your class more active and more fun.
GLA training program helped me to become more effective in my teaching, at the same time grow professionally and technologically for my community.
Thanks to GLA for its untiring commitment to make teachers like us technologically inclined through the effective use of educational technology tools in the classroom.